up, YouTubers? Today I will be teaching you how to do the Apres set once again, and then you'll get to see me do a New Year's design on her. Simple, easy, fun, and you can even do this at home. I'm just sizing the tips to fit her nails from corner to corner. Make sure that there isn't any extra space or any gaps. Please subscribe and like this video. Those are the tips that I like to use, the Gel X Apres tips. They fit well. And now I'm just going to go ahead and file the inside of the tips because you know gel will not stick to shiny surfaces. I love that these tips come in different colors. If I didn't feel like painting the nails today and she just wanted to go with the nude or the pink, then I could do that and get her in and out, or either put crystals on it, put designs on it. It's just overall made to be an easy, quick and easy set, and especially for nail techs that like to do nail art, which I love to do nail art. I started off doing nail art. Okay, so I'm just cleaning off my brush here in some acetone. I like to make sure it's clean before I start. You don't want to get any dust in the gel that you're going to be using. Then I'll take my Young Nails protein bond, which I really love. It helps you not have as much lifting if you get any lifting, but I don't really get any lifting, so I really like it. To me, it seems like glue, but it's not glue. I just apply a thin coat of it on every nail. If you know that you have a client that keep their hand in water or wash their hands often, you might want to apply 2 coats. Now I'll take a thin layer of the gel and put it on her nail bed as extra security. In some of my videos I don't do this. I find that when I don't do it, the nails last way longer. Like they just come back to get a fill in. And yes, you can fill this set in. The company doesn't want you to fill it in. They want you to soak it off each time. That's the point of it, so that it can be faster, easier. However, you have some people that just prefer a fill-in. They can't afford to pay the regular price every time they come, and I understand. I let that cure in the LED light for about 30 seconds each hand with the base coat. Now I'm going to go in, take my mini LED light, put a little bit in the tip. You can actually set the LED light up if you want. I'm just going to apply a small amount of the gel. It does not take much. And then you don't want to apply these tips and the gel starts seeping out of the side walls. So just a very little bit at the edge of the tip. Then you're going to place it at the cuticle area and lightly push down until you see the gel fill the tip. Once you're satisfied, take your light and cure that for about 15 seconds. I usually just count to 15 in my head. You pretty much want to do this for all 10 nails. The same method, the exact same. I already filed and shaped her nails off camera. She needed them medium length, coffin shape, so that's what I did. With these tips, you can do that. I'm going in with my black polish right now, and I'm going to create her New Year's design. So I hope you enjoy watching me create her New Year's design. Happy 2020, Happy New Year's, by the way. Lord, happy 2021. I got the polish from corner to corner. I'm being very careful not to get any on the skin. I'm just going in with my second coat right now of gel polish. And if I did get any on the skin, I take a fine art brush and dip it in a little acetone or polish remover and go around it before you cure it. Sorry, I was all off camera, guys. I'm going to try to remember that this camera is here within each video. I already put the glitter on her pinky nail. I feel like that glitter is great for New Year's. It's holographic glitter, it's gold, it's popping. Okay, now I'm going to add my striper tape to the nail. You can wipe your nail with alcohol wipe before you do this method to make sure your tape sticks and there's no film on top of the nail. Oh, and with this striping tape, make sure you top coat it at least 3 times. For some reason, it will come up if you only have one layer of top coat. Don't know how it happens, but it does. Now it's time to add the crystals. This Zulay glue that I just showed you is my favorite glue. It's the best glue. I'm actually out of it, so I'm going to go with the KDS glue right now. And see how that does. If it doesn't do what I needed to do, your next step will be to take some of your builder gel or sticky gel, your tackiest gel you have, and apply the crystals that way. When applying crystals, take your time and make sure you want to put those crystals, that's where you want to put those crystals, instead of just gluing and then the crystals are stuck. It can become a whole mess.